Hey everybody, how are you? I actually got to Michael's and I did try to do a live haul, but internet service was horrible, so I'm just gonna come to you right now. We're actually talking with Sandra from Crafty Mom 15 and Jan's Crazy Life, and Shar, of course. So don't forget to please keep Jan's son in your prayers. He's in the hospital, and keep Jan and her family. Know that we love you, Jan, and we're here for you. So I got to Michael's today because I took a ride with Vinny to drop Shannon off in Jersey. And if I'm in Jersey, I'm going to Trader Joe's and Michael's. And I figured, what the hey. So I know that Shar had this, and I've seen a couple other people, and I didn't think I wanted it until I saw it in person. Holy moly. You want to talk about a beautiful paper pad? This was $6. Look, I'm going to go this way. Look at these cut aparts. Look, can you see all that? Look at how beautiful they are. Look at that pretty flower. Do you see how beautiful that flower is? Then it looks like little champagnes. I love this color. This is so cool. Look at how pretty. Life is short. Your lashes and your heels shouldn't be. Oh my God. Don't listen to me. But it says, gorgeous all year round. Look at these. Aren't these adorable? I love the little lampposts. Okay, this says, Paris, gorgeous shoes, spoil yourself, glam. How cute. Look at the lips. You know what this would go with? This would go with my lip punch. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I could see. I've already got things coming to my mind. Oh, look at how beautiful. I love pink and white stripes. I really do. Look at all of look at that. Lashes make everything better. How sweet. This is a good one. And this is almost like a foil. Foiled hearts. More lips. More cocktails. That's very pretty. Very funky. This one. Tell me that those flowers are not gorgeous. Those are gorgeous flowers. Like the polka dots. This is, oh, look at those. Look at how pretty that is. This is a really pretty pad. Hot buy. I like the bicycle girl. But look at how pretty these are. Love her. Cut her right out. Oh, Texas crying. Ah, this is almost like watermarked. Oh my gosh. Tell me that's not super cute. Super, super cute. And look at this one. This is a bigger version of those small flowers. Sorry for Texas. This is leftover from my 4th of July decor. But Vinny got this. This was $5. How great is that? Remember those? These were called bomb pops, right? Weren't these called bomb pops? Makes me want to go have a red, white, and blue ice. Okay, so then Vinny picked out these. These are plastic straws, not throwaway straws. These are reusable. How cute. I don't think these were on sale. Oh, they were. They were regularly $5. I don't think I would have paid $5 for straws, but he got them for $1.50. Um, did you see this? Look at this. This is from my 22-year-old. I'm kind of curious what his thought process of this is. This was $3. So funny. Okay, so then I saw these, and they were marked $6.99 in clearance, and it said that the pink tags were not on sale. Honestly, I should have walked around Michael's with my app and scanned the prices. I really should have. I don't know what I was thinking. But do you see what they are? Let me open it. Let's open it. Look at those. Can you see all those? This was $2. There were 2 left, and I'm sorry that I didn't buy them. The other ones. For $2, the case alone. So I grabbed that. Then the Disney stuff was 70% off, and I had my eye on this. These were $9. And even with a 40% off coupon, I couldn't justify it. But look at him. Isn't he cute? This came to $3. Isn't he? Love him. Love him. Okay, and Shannon picked out this because it reminds her of Toulouse. And this was in the $2 bin. So this was $2. Okay, these were 74 cents. Isn't that cool? So I grabbed 2 of those. They came to 74 cents each. Let's see what else I have. Okay. This was clearance. It said $5.99, and this is the Fiskars Punch. Came to $2.99. So I got that. This is the actual size. So it's an itty bitty punch. And then I've wanted this punch for the longest time. It was marked $7.99. Came to $3.99. $3.99 for this big boy. So excited. So excited. Yep. And then, last but not least, this was $24.99, 70% off. I paid $7.50 for it. I know you can't see it, sorry, but it's a cake pan, a cake tray. The galvanized one, regularly $24.99. I got it for $7.50. $7.50. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that's my haul. I did get to Dollar Tree the other day and I got a couple of things, but I grabbed this. Isn't that cute? And then I grabbed these so that I can decorate them. And then I picked up a couple more of the 4th of July decorations, but I'm going to save this for Labor Day. And that is my haul. I am super excited about this punch. I absolutely love this punch. I'm like, can't believe it. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to keep Jan's crazy life and her family in your prayers. Sending her powerful thoughts, positive thoughts, prayerful thoughts. And Jan, please know that we love you so, so much. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.